Okay, I just did how to find a critical value with a one-tail test, but how do we do it with a two-tail test? So once again, remember our standardized mean is 0, and this is a two-tail test. So that actually means this area here, and you'll see it a lot of time in the writing, is alpha divided by 2, because we have to cut that 0.08 in half because this is being a two-tail test. So half is going to go below, which is what, 0.04, and then half will go above. And what you'll see is the z values that we get, that would be a negative z, and that would be a positive z. So if I go to my Google Sheets and I put in my left tail area, would be 0.08 divided by 2, so that's 0.04. I get negative 1.75, but the problem asked for a positive critical value, so it would just be 1.75. So this is negative 1.75, and then the positive here would be 1.75.